How's it going, everybody? Thank you for checking out our video. Today we have a 2012 Mercedes C300 for sale, 4Matic. We just serviced it. Really nice car, drives really well. Do a quick walk around video here. You can see it's in great shape. Body's in really good shape. 3.0 V6. Has good tires on it. And this one's pretty loaded up too. So it's got sunroof, it's got nav, backup camera, heated seats. Check out the inside, sunroof. As you can see here, interior's clean. Nice sunroof. Check it out. It has 125,000 miles on it. 125, 155. This is something you might be interested in. Definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectloc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you for checking out our video.